Hey everyone, Ian here at AbelCine in Burbank. The other day, Robert from Bright Tangerine stopped by and he showed me a number of new lens support options. So we're going to look at some 19 and 15 millimeter studio solutions as well as a brand new 15 millimeter lightweight solution. So here we have the 19 millimeter Marr. This is for a studio setup. Nice construction here. This mechanism has a tie down here with this arm that's easily accessible even when you're wearing gloves. It also gives you a long range of travel side to side for lining up to the lens, and it's spring loaded so we can find just the right point at which this is going to support the lens. All right, I'm on the assistant side. This is the tie-down lever for my support post. And right below it, you have this 3/8/16 as perfect mounting point if you want to put an arm in there, and it's a great place for a monitor. Operator side, you have the locking mechanism. So nice thing about this is you have this solid locking mechanism. So I have to push in on the lever, and now I can activate it forward or aft, and now I have the ability to adjust it, and you have a 3/8/16 for accessory mounts there. All right, so we've gone to our 15 mil lightweight support here. This is the Morrissey. Robert was really kind the other day and came by and gave me my own personal one. The stock ones will not have my name on it, but they will say Morrissey. And I've turned this into reverse on the rig here just so I can show you this little feature, and that is you have these inserts with a 1/4-20 or a 3/8/16, and this will allow you to adapt to whatever lens. You have the ability to trombone up and down to meet where the lens support on the lens is. You have the lockdown right here. And off to the side, we have the locking mechanism, just like the studio versions. And you also have the 3/8/16, so I can put a Titan arm or any accessory that I choose. That wraps up my look at lens support options from Bright Tangerine. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again soon.